Warm greetings to everyone. I am G. Shrish rahav, currently pursuing Bachelor's at Computer Science Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to share some information about 5 pillars of SNS institutions. The first pillar is that Center for Learning and Teaching. CTLs offers unique and intensive professional development opportunities for faculty members to enhance culturality, responsive teaching strategies, and incorporate intercultural perspectives in curriculum. CLST also takes an evidence-based approach to advocating for effective learning and teaching practices. Curriculum planning services to support the use of technology in education and institutional processes and infrastructure to enhance the learning environment. The next pillar is we are going to see about this skill and career development. Young mind skills through that they have a chance to develop their career. To keep this in mind, we have engraved skill and career development, that which is called known as SED, which offers insightful skills development programs to groom the students to incorporate ready. The department achieves its employability enhancement objectives by conducting intensive process oriented classroom training such that like that. Then the next pillar is we are going to see is that Center for Creativity. The creativity is one of the most important thing in our today's life. CFC, which is known as Center for Creativity, is a professional practice in which a unique collaboration between leading researchers and academics from all of city. This center is undertaken disciplinary research, teaching and knowledge transfer in creativity and innovation. The creativity Center for Creativity is mainly used to improve the creativity of the students to overcome the creativity into the idea that is into the model like that. The next pillar is that Industry Institute Partnership Cell, JIPC, identifies the industrial exception and promotes instrumental preparation for meeting industrial needs by the faculty sponsored R&D projects, seminars, workshops, and various other industrial training programs. Industry Institute Partnership reflects in equipping faculty to the latest practices and makes the sudden industry. The primary focus of IPC is to interact with the allied entities and around Coimbatore and extended the efforts establishing partnership with industries across the country in the near future. The next and the last pillar is that social responsibility initiatives. It is a promise everyone should make for the society while working for the social and cultural and ecological causes. These responsibilities are ethically binding and purpose that each person act in such a way that minimizes the adverse effect to those immediately around them. SNS SRI believes that act as such a way that believes that something more than simply imparting of knowledge and skills to the students. As an active agent of social change, SNS takes an voluntary actions in the creation of culture. So this is all about the 5 pillars, some information about the 5 pillars that we all carried out in our SNS institution to develop our career. Thank you.